Hi guys, welcome to how to set a Thanksgiving tablescape, of course on a budget. First you're going to want to start with a clean canvas like so. In this tutorial I'm going to be using items from Ikea, Dollar Tree, as well as my fave at home. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, okay, because I have a lot of upcoming tutorials and you're not going to want to miss a thing, honey. And turn your bell notifications on. Okay, so I know there was a lot, so let's jump into it. So I first picked up this table runner from Ikea. It was extremely inexpensive. I think it was around like $4. But yeah, extremely inexpensive. So I'm unraveling the table runner to place it on the table. Now this is where my frustration kicked in at. This thing is so short. I was like, wow. But it's okay. It turned out great in the end. Just keep watching. I promise you're going to be satisfied. But, thou shalt prevail. That's exactly what I did. So now I am just flattening everything out just to make sure everything is set with a good foundation. I picked these flake mats up at home, my fave. The original price was $10.99, but I think I got these on sale. Can't remember the price. So what I'm doing right now is just placing the mats on the table just to have a proper greeting before I add any more of my decor. Now this piece was truly a lifesaver. Now the only thing that I did not like is that I paid full price, and we don't like to pay full price. On top of that, I purchased two, so I was kind of like devastated. But because it was so full of flowers and pumpkins, I knew that it would save me some time. They had a lot left at the store. I purchased this from At Home, and I'm sure that all of their fall items are currently on sale, so that is a win for you. And also, if you just do not want to go to At Home, you can go to Dollar General, pick up these same items, and make your own centerpiece. Now for the good stuff. I purchased two different flowers, one at Ikea and the other at Home. Of course, I will link everything below. Now for the longer stems, you can either fold them in half or you can either cut them with a wire hanger. Personally, I just folded mine and all was well. Now I'm just going to place my flowers on the table. And with the long stems that I did not fold, I'm just going to line them up directly behind my centerpiece. So I'm just going to do the same for the other side. Now this is what we have thus far. This is what it is giving. It is coming together. I like it. What about you? Comment. Now I do have more decor to put on the table, but I'm just going to hold off on my flowers right now just so I can fill everything else in. Then later I will come back and set more flowers just to give it a fuller effect later. So what your girl is doing now is just placing silver charger plates on the table. You can literally pick these up at Dollar General, Micheals, heck, you can even go to a thrift store. Wherever you see fit, Walmart, they have them.
Okay, wait. Oh my god, guys, I'm so upset. I only picked up 5 of the chargers, and so I went downstairs in the garage to get the gold ones, and I was thinking maybe I can put the gold ones on the end, but nah, it's just not going to work. But what I'm going to do is just complete the table and just change it out, once I go back to the store. No biggie.
So now I have these marble inspired plates that I grabbed from Dollar General for $1, and we all love some dollar items. So yeah, I'm just going to be placing these plates on top of those gold chargers, and go ahead on by my business.
Okay, wait, so now I have another issue. I only picked up 4 salsas. Like, what was I thinking? It's okay though, we have time. We have enough time to pick up more. I caught these from Dollar General for, what was Dollar General? The dollar store, one of them. I caught these from the dollar store for $1. I think 1.99 or $1 each, but yeah, it's okay.
So I'm going to place those salsas on top of those marble plates.
Currently, this is what we're working with. So right now, I'm just going to fill the flowers in. I just want to do a proper greeting, which we still lack we're lacking some, but that's okay. That is okay.
I purchased these cute burlap pumpkins from Dollar General, of course, for $1. Aren't they so cute and so adorable? And I also snagged these little pumpkins from the dollar store as well. Of course, you know, it's $1. And the back of the pumpkins have these little super easy, manageable clips that you can just clip on the branches or wherever you choose to clip on for your centerpiece. These taper candles were a good old $1 from the dollar store. Trust me, you can't miss them. There's a lot of them there. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut that out. And these candle holders, you can get these from the dollar store as well. They have different sizes, different shapes, but make sure you get the ones that fit the taper candles. Now, I got these from the thrift store, and what I did was basically just honestly paint them. I painted them a long time ago, and it's actually giving me the rust effect that I actually want. I'm going for this look. So yeah, I painted these a long time ago, and I'm just going to place these on the ends. Now, if you don't like where I'm placing mine, you can always, you know, just play around with your table, play around with your design. But I'm going to place mine on my ends, my two very ends.
Okay, wait. Once again, so honestly, I'm really so torn between these candles. Like, such a good vibe. Such a good cohesiveness. I just don't know. We have time until Thanksgiving. You guys, tell me what you guys think about these candles opposed to these. I mean, could it be a mixture? Well, let me know what you guys think before Thanksgiving. I love these candles, but the vibe that I'm going for and the aesthetics, these candles would be much, much better. But I really love these. Which one? Let me know which one. Comment below. Comment. I can always switch it out. I can always change it. Just let me know. I want to hear your opinions. Please and thank you. So I picked up these little burlap leaves. I already took them out the pack. They were only $1, and of course I got it from Dollar General. Inexpensive but tastefulness. So festive. What are your thoughts? And if you want to just like pin them on something, they have the option of like, I don't know, this little backing. So these are my coasters of choice, and I'm going to be taking my little burlap leaves. I'm going to place my coasters on top of those leaves, and of course I'm going to follow up with my wine glass, and I'm going to do this repeatedly over and over again, of course, until I have everything all cohesive. All is one. So these black napkins I got from Ikea literally for about $3 or $4. I like them because they have the little slits in there for easy access for like my silverware. Now you can set your table traditional the way you want it, but I'm only going to use my fork and my spoon, and I'm going to set everything else to the side. I'm going to first start with my black napkin. I'm going to place it in the center of my salsa plate. Then I'm going to follow up with my spoon and my fork, placing that in the center carefully as well. And I have this burlap string. You can get these at any Micheals, Hobby Lobby, Walmart. Yeah. And I'm going to just carefully place it underneath, and I'm going to bring it around, and I'm going to give it a nice tie. Yes. How creative and how adorable, if you didn't know. So play around with it, loop it, and then straighten it back out. Then voila. Like magic. Look how beautiful that is. Awesome. I love this, y'all. This is so cute. This is so cute to me. Let me know how you guys feel about this. So I'm just going to add some little candles in, and then add the fillers in the inside. And once it's time for Thanksgiving, I will just light them up, just to, you know, fill the table up a little bit more. So I am debating if I'm going to add these. I got these from Macy's, honey, from Backstage. If you haven't been to Backstage Macy's, get on that. They're just decorative candles, unscented. I don't know if I'm going to add these or not. If I do, I'm going to keep them covered up until Thanksgiving. Then I'll burn them then. Or I might not. I just might keep them for decoration. But let me see. A strong possibility that I'm not going to add these candles. So I'm going to go ahead and add these little decorative balls in. Now, with these balls, like something... I guess not. Anyway, something like the black one or this one in this case, you can just get a foam ball or anything like that, and you can just spray paint it metallic. It might not be this texture, but it will still be a decorative ball, and you know, just play around with it. Alright, my loves, this is the final project. I do plan to play around with it some more as we get more into the season. It is pretty early still, but although I am enjoying this outcome, look at me, I kept these two candles, but we will see. Let me know your honest thoughts and opinions. I really appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you? We have more DIYs coming up. We have more fashion hauls coming up. We have more how-to videos coming up. So I am just, this is so cute to me. Like, let me know your opinions, honest opinions only. And until another day, God bless. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Thanks, guys.